Missing hamster update. It is now January 4th. We have had no sign of Hammy in the agriculture classroom. And I don't know, maybe I'm paranoid, but it smells like something's getting funky in the back of the room. We have searched my room time and again and found no signs. So if he's in the back somewhere, we've looked everywhere. I did get an update on my new agricultural facility / barn, and it should be done by late February. So I figure if we don't find him between now and February, maybe when I go to pack up my classroom to move out to the barn, we will find him at that time. But I digress. Back to business as usual. Today's agricultural fact of the day: turkey farmers are federally banned from using growth hormones or steroids to make turkeys grow faster. Fun fact, the same thing applies to meat chickens. It's actually the entire poultry industry, including chicken. So when you go into the grocery store and you see labels such as hormone-free or steroid-free, they don't exist. They are tapping into fear marketing when it is placed on a package of chicken or turkey and it says hormone-free. It literally does not exist in the US. There are no hormones that can be given to chickens or turkeys. Fear marketing like that really isn't that much different than the GMO labeling thing. Having orange juice that says GMO free, GMO oranges don't exist. The labeling sham and fear marketing could be an entire Ag Fact of the Day series by itself. But anyway, let me tell you about my visitors today. I had the goat kids in that came to visit me about a month ago. And if you remember, it was a good thing those little goats came and visited me a month ago, because one of them ended up being on the cusp of getting a navel infection, which I was able to assist my student in diagnosing and treating, and he was back to 100%. So those two little boys were in here today for castration and a CDT shot. So that's what my classes learned about today. Learning about concepts such as, why do we castrate livestock? Why is it important to know how to do this? And what are the benefits of castrating these males? Learning about selecting desirable traits and how to prevent that undesirable ones from being passed on. And then of course with their CDT shot, because when you castrate, you should also give CDT, they learned all about that. I will admit that my 8th graders probably learned a little too much about livestock castration, but at least they learned something.